Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kiri Toffee with fresh milk. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh, full-fat milk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and half a cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, which is crucial for the toffee's texture. Make sure you have a heavy-bottomed pan and a reliable candy thermometer ready for precise cooking. These simple items are the foundation for delicious homemade Kiri Toffee. Now, let's start cooking. In your heavy-bottomed pan, combine the fresh milk, granulated sugar, and unsalted butter. Place the pan over medium heat and stir continuously to dissolve the sugar and melt the butter completely. This constant stirring prevents scorching and ensures an even mixture. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, allowing it to simmer slowly. This initial phase is key for a smooth toffee. As your mixture simmers, it will gradually thicken. This is the perfect time to add your 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir it in thoroughly. You'll notice the mixture will lighten in color and become slightly foamy. Continue cooking and stirring, monitoring the temperature with your candy thermometer. You're aiming for a precise temperature of 245 degrees Fahrenheit or 118 degrees Celsius. This temperature ensures the perfect firm, yet chewy, toffee consistency. Once your toffee reaches the target temperature, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot mixture onto a greased baking sheet, spreading it evenly. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or until it's firm enough to handle. Once cooled, you can cut it into 1-inch squares or any desired shape. Enjoy your homemade Kiri Toffee. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.